When it comes to working, things are often pretty dull. A black-looking device, and what about the way I carry it around? This is a functional laptop bag, gets the job done, but it's black and says nothing about me. The other bag which I use is much the same. Yes, it's grey, and it's got a zip around the top, but again, nothing about me mentioned here. So that got me thinking, what about a laptop bag which says more about me, says more about my brand and my personality? With Experience Smarter by Lenovo, it's quick and easy to give yourself a proper brand identity and image, and just to be that bit unique and stand out. Simply by logging onto the website, you can use your own logo, your own wording, your own design, and within a short matter of time, the bag's arrived and you've got something unique to your own personality.